Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com and this is search button, and after your search and then enter your model number of your motherboard A620M S2H and then hit enter. Then click to product A620MH. Click on support. Select your operating system, which is Windows 10 11, but in Windows 10 11 installations process same. Audio, so this is size and you just click to download. It will start downloading. You can see here, then download docs, and then open. Then it is done, and just single click to open and double click to exe. Then click to yes. Now this is installing, and it is automatically closed, means this is installed. And then close it. Chipset, AMD chipset driver, and click to download. After download, just single click and then double click to exe. Then click to yes. Then it is installed and close it. LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver. Click to download. So it is completed. Don't open. Then double click to exe. Yes. Now this is extract. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed.